I'd like to share some very tasty and super healthy, 6 delicious salad dressings that will supercharge your health. Now, what prompted me to do this video is a while ago, I went to this event where a five-star chef cooked for us, and we were participating in the cooking. And so I was in charge of making the salad dressing. And so I asked him, well, okay, what do I do? He says, just go ahead and wing it. There's some spices over there. Go ahead and make it. I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't have a lot of experience in this topic. I usually just use two ingredients, olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. So I started to put a bunch of things together. And then he came by and tasted it. And he just looked at me like, what the hell did you do? And I said, I don't know. I just threw some things together. He goes, Eric, it's obvious. It's obvious to make this. I said, no, it's not obvious. To make something taste good, you have to have the combination of certain herbs and things, or else it could be a disaster. Problem with salad dressings is trying to find one that is edible, that doesn't have all these high omega-6 fatty acids. I mean, it's really hard to find something just with pure olive oil. Even the ones with olive oil have additional oils. So, the benefit of adding olive oil to your salad is this: a lot of the phytonutrients in salad, like these very important health promoting chemicals in plants, especially salad, go way beyond just vitamins and minerals. The phytonutrients or the phytochemicals in salad are fat soluble, which means we need to eat them with some type of fat or oil. And I'm going to recommend use a high quality extra virgin olive oil. So these 6 salad dressings that I'm going to talk about will add some additional health benefits that go way beyond just the salad itself. Now, of course, salad is loaded with potassium, magnesium, folate, vitamin C, as well as all these phytonutrients. But the salad dressing itself can really take it to the next level. So these salad dressings that I'm going to recommend are all wrapped around this base of extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. And then what you do is you put this mixture, this base, in a 16-ounce mason jar in your fridge. So every time you eat a salad, you take out this mixture, and in a little bowl, you take about a fourth of a cup or, up to a half of a cup, depending on how big your salad is. Then you add your spices, mix it up, and pour it on your salad. So let's first talk about this base that you're going to make. Okay, there's these 3 ingredients. What are the ratios? It comes out to a third of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a fourth of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So let's first talk about the first combination. This could be called the apple cider vinaigrette. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Some people use Dijon. You'll take 1 clove of garlic, minced, a pinch of sea salt, and a dash of pepper. Mix it up, pour it on your salad. All right, so the next combination is the French style dressing. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of dried tarragon, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, a fourth of a teaspoon of dried lavender, and a pinch of ground pepper. Very delicious. Another one to try is the Italian version. For this one, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, a fourth of a teaspoon of crushed garlic, and just a little pinch of crushed red pepper. So I really like that combination. Very delicious. All right, next one, Mediterranean. With this one, you're going to use 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of dried mint, a fourth of a teaspoon of sumac, with just one little pinch of sea salt. All right, just to keep things interesting, let's give you 2 more. This one is the Asian version. For this one, you're going to add to the base 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, one half of a teaspoon of dried ginger, one fourth of a teaspoon of crushed peppercorn, and a splash of tamari. And let's not forget the Indian version, okay, for my friends in India. For this one, we're going to add to the base 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, one half teaspoon of ground turmeric, one fourth of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, with a pinch of dried cardamom. So I think these 6 recipes will keep things very interesting for you. It'll actually keep the variety there. If you have not seen my video on the quantity of salad that a person should be consuming, which is 7 to 10 cups, you really need to watch this one right here.